Hi guys, today I want to unbox this Ruike professional test pen. Okay, insulated test pen. Okay, it got this one got dual head lah. Got the Philip one and got flat one. Okay, two hand, you can show it later on. We take a look inside. Okay, okay, Ruike professional, good tools. Okay, this is the spec here. Non-slip handling, comfortable. Okay, magnetic handle. Okay, this one is suitable for you to how to say, due to for the DB distribution board. For the maintenance, or you want to unscrew the breaker and the terminal brush. See, this one is suitable for them because it's insulated. Okay, safety, more to safety. Okay, like this. So we take a look at the back. Okay, chrome vanadium. Okay, magnetic handle, non-slip handle, conform grip. Mostly is the benefit is the conform grip. Okay, comfortable grip, comfortable grip. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it and look inside. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so now I already cut it and unboxed this test pen from Ruike. So let's look at the test pen here. Okay, it's rated. Okay, 500 to 1000 volt. Okay, 1 kilowatt. Okay, and then this is the size, the Ruike brand, and this is the benefit here. Is the advantage here is the test pen, insulated screwdriver and test pen mode. Okay, the good. Okay, and this is the tapping in your grip here. Nice grip. Okay, nice grip. Okay, and then it mentioned that double head, double screwdriver head. Here, double screwdriver head. Okay, Philip and the flap. Okay, 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 okay. So guys, mostly it's like that. This is my review and my unboxing for the test pen, the screwdriver, the Ruike professional screwdriver with test pen mode. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.